right, so let's just review what we know so far about the ecology of the reef that we're dealing with now.
I know for right now, it's not looking good, and a lot of the stony coral have the disease, and we can see it in almost every single coral, like at least a little bit.
Our reef, if we don't do something, it's gonna be gone.
And the keys won't be here.
Yeah.
The keys depend on the reef. The keys are everything because of the reef. If we don't do something about it, then the keys won't be here.
Yeah.
Even physically, the reef stops storm surge. Like the keys literally will not be here. The keys will literally not be here.
We did this 2 weeks ago, and everyone was really getting to know their corals, and I know it's challenging at first. So did everyone have a chance to look over the codes, review your Latin names this week, and practice with the online quiz? What kind of coral reef are we diving on today at Lukey? What's our coral formation?
Spur and groove.
Good job.
And during that time, my 2 corals succumbed to stony coral tissue loss disease within, I'd say, 3 weeks, and the disease spread at about 7.3 centimeters per week.
Well, the stony coral tissue loss disease, it spread rapidly, but I'm not done with the study. I keep going out because I have not enough data to make a conclusion about how fast the rate of progression is, and compared to like dissolved oxygen and temperature of the water, because temperature of the water is really cold right now, so I can see the difference between cold water and when the water gets warmer.
Okay, how long are you gonna study your coral that you chose?
Until it dies.
Maybe it'll die.
No, it'll die. PSTR, MCOM, SID, ACER, CNAT, PSTR.
What's it got?
Are you guys human?
Zoe, who's your buddy? Marcel. All right, just like this morning we discussed in class, we're going to do our roving stony coral tissue loss visibility, so basically the turbidity of the water. We're going old school today. We're going to use the second. Okay, so you're going to go back. Lower it down nice and slow. Okay, so listen, you can see it, right? See it? I like to just keep telling my tender. Let's watch it. See how above the boat that is?
Yeah.
So actually,
It's right
it's
there.
there.
Yeah.
Right up there.
24.9.
So go ahead and write it.
So latitude is the point.
Yep, that's our latitude. 24 dot.
I got 2 dead. Completely, yeah.
I didn't see that.
One diseased.
There was a lot of SID, actively diseased and also recently dead.
I saw a lot. Look, I got 5 dead, 4 active, and 4 completely normal.
I got 3 dead, 5 actively diseased, 2 with symptoms of concern, pale spots, bleaching, and I didn't see any